Bismillah mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Hande windande men ko yidde ɓeydade famminde verb to be. Am, is, are ko ɗi ngoni forme présent verb to be woni wonde. Misal, I am tired this morning. Miɗe tampi oɗo subaka. I am a student. My sister is a teacher. Komi almudu. Banam debbo o ko janginowo. Ça veut dire mawni ko o ko janginowo. Ko wonde wonɗo. Komi almudu. I am a student. Mas is ill. He is in bed. Mas sellani omo dow baldi woɓɓe miya dow leeso. My car is very old. Otam o nayi no fewi. Habibu and I are good friends. Min e Habibu komin sehilaɓe no fewi. You are very busy today. Aɗa jindi no fewi hande. Your keys are on the table. Caabiji maɗe ngoni ko dow tabal to. I am a student. I am not a teacher. Komi almudu. Mi wana janginowo. Aisha isn't at home at the moment. She is at work. Aisha ala to galle to o saha. Woni koto golle. My room isn't very big, but it is nice. Sudam du maunani no fewi kono endu yodi. Those people aren't English. They are Australian. Beni yimɓe wona English ko Australian. Sa yiɗi haalde ko fati e waktuji. Here kutortoɗa ko verb to be. It's troisième personne singulier. It's 1 o'clock. Il est 1h. It's 8:15. Il est 8h15. It's 10:30. Il est 10h30. That's is. This, there is. Here's, here is. Thank you, that's very kind of you. A jaraama ɗum ko jikkuma moƴƴo. Look, there's Mas. Dar Mas nana. Here your keys. Chaabi ma nani. Thank you, a jaraama. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe. Click the like button and comment below if you have correction. See you next time. Bye.